if you want to add a text to your drawing or to the object you inserted, it's just a simple fact. You just right click, highlight the object, right click at the object, you can see add text. Now the mouse pointer appears. You can now start. Now you highlight. For you to format, you click home menu, the font size, you make this to be in capital letter based on what you are looking for. It need to be at the center, it is there already. You could change your font face. Okay, this is okay. Now you come up to the paragraph and remove auto line spacing. Now let's reduce the size by 20. Now we have this, let's bold it. Is now okay. Shine the light. So based on what you want, you could also make it to be more tiny. Let's say shine the light. You could see. So based on what you need. Likewise, add text.